Hello everyone, my name is Rai. Welcome at MMC Make My Career. Okay, now guys, I will pronounce you a lot of words, right? And with comparison. Okay, first I will pronounce all the words with the phonetic symbols. Later on, I will pronounce without phonetic symbols. So guys, it's my humble request, take a screenshot and write down all the sounds in your notebook, and then you repeat after me, pronounce after me. When I will pronounce, then you will pronounce after me or with me. Okay, now this is the sound a, right? Just say cup, up, like that. And this is the sound a. This is sound a. Comparison between sound a and a means एक short है और एक long है. So guys, repeat after me. Come, say come. Next, calm, calm, be calm. All right. Cut. So guys, cut, cut, right? Cut it. Okay. Cart, cart, cut, cart, cut, cart. Next one is duck, duck. This is a dog. Duck, dog, duck, dog. Next one is hurt, heart, hurt, heart. Now, don't hurt my heart. Don't hurt my heart. Next, luck, 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 lark, luck, lark. Next, much, march, much, march, much, march. Right? So guys, repeat after me. Okay, all right. Now, this is the sound. What is that? O. This is what sound? O and A. This is sound O and A. This is what guys? Cock and cork. Cock, cork. Cock, cork. Next one is caught, caught. Caught means जानते हैं खटिया होता है. Caught, caught, caught. Okay. Now next sound is pot, port. Pot, port. Next one is short, 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 short. Next one is spot, sport, spot, sport. Next one is sound a and oo. This is what? Sound oo. This is what? And this is sound oo. Means एक होता है छोटा वाला ऊ and एक होता है बड़ा वाला ऊ. Right? I will make it very much clear with the help of sound. This is what? Full, full. And next one is fool, full, fool, full, fool, full, fool. This is okay. Book, choose, book, choose. Next one is bush, rude, bush, rude, bush, rude. Next one is could, rule, could, rule. Next one is look, smooth, look, smooth. Next one is push, spoon, push, spoon. Next one, should, knew, should, knew, should, knew. Okay, now guys, I will again pronounce all the words with beautiful typed matter and with beautiful pictures. Okay, let's go ahead now. Alright guys, don't worry, I'm just reviewing all this. Okay, now this is what guys, and I will pronounce this is what? Come, right? Come and calm. This is what? Ah. Sound, this one is this there, right? बोलिए come, बोलिए calm. Come, calm. This way I'm pronouncing same sound 2 times. You also pronounce with me 2 times and write down symbol of all the words. Write down the symbol of all the words, then you will enjoy with pronunciation. Okay, now this is a come, this is a calm. Come, calm, come, calm, come and be calm. Okay, now cut and cart, cut, cart. Next one is duck, dark. It's too dark. How dark the night is. Next, hurt, heart, hurt, heart. Don't hurt my heart. Don't hurt my heart. Next one is luck, lark, luck, lark. Right? Everyone should not believe on luck. And some people say luck is Lord. Next one, much, march, much, march. You can understand by the picture also. This is what cut, right? Cut it. Now duck and heart. Don't hurt my heart because it is already hurt. Okay, let's go ahead. Next one is, this is sound O, cock and cork. Cock and cork. Caught, caught. You can understand caught, beautiful caught it is. Pot, pot. You can see this is beautiful pot. Okay. Next one is short, short. Short, short. Okay. Pot, sport. Pot, sport. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Now guys, this is the sound. This one is oo, and this is the sound guys, right? Bada wala oo, right? This is a what? Full. And this is what? Fool. Full, fool. How fool you are. The bucket is full of water. The bucket is full of water. Okay. Now book, choose. Book, choose. Next one is bush, rude. How rude you are. Don't be rude. Okay. Next, could, rule. Could, rule. Could, rule. I could. You could. She could. He could. They could. All could. Next, look, smooth. Look, smooth. All right. Okay. Now I can say book. And now I can see look. Look in my eyes. Okay. Next one. All right. This is what guys? Push. What is this? Push. Spoon. Spoon. Right? Should, knew. Should, knew. This gentleman is pushing something. Hey, don't push me. Hello everyone. Hello, hello. Why are you pushing me? Don't push me. No, please don't push me. Okay. Let's go ahead. Now guys, after this pronunciation, a beautiful conversation is here, right? Conversation with doctor and patient. Okay. Now you can understand, it's a beautiful picture of a hospital, and now a gentleman is lying. He's a doctor and patients. So guys, sometimes if we feel any problem, if we have headache, oh my god, I have stomach ache, hello everyone, I have pain in my stomach, so what should I do? So you will suggest me, sir, why don't you see a doctor, right? Doctor को आप दिखा लीजिए. Oh, that's great. Okay. Now, so conversation between doctor and patient. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Now patient is saying, may I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? Right? So definitely doctor will say, yes, please come in and sit down. Okay. Now patient, sir, I am suffering from fever since last night. Now you can see, sir, I am suffering from fever since last night, right? And I have also stomach aches. Sir, I have fever. Oh my god, and I have also stomach ache. Okay. Doctor is saying, okay, don't worry. Hello, don't worry. Let me take your temperature first. Or thermometer डाल देंगे and he will check the temperature. Oh my God, your temperature is very high. Oh my God, your temperature is very high. I have to take your temperature. I have to control your fever first, okay? Now, the next slide is the same. And now, okay, yes, sir. The doctor asked, did you take any medicine? Did you take any medicine? Patient said, yes, sir, I took medicine. नॉर्मली क्या होता है, जब भी किसी को फीवर होता है तो मेडिकल स्टोर से दवा लेकर के काम चला लेते हैं. जब नहीं चलता है फाइनली तब वो डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, राइट. नहीं, नॉर्मली लोग अपने नियर बाई मार्केट के बंगाली दादा हुए, गुप्ता जी हुए, डॉक्टर ये हो, फलाना ढिकाना के जाके अपना इलाज करा लेते हैं ना. तो वहां पे परमानेंट इलाज नहीं हो पाता है. फिर पेशेंट, यस सर आई टुक मेडिसिन. डॉक्टर ने पूछा कि डिड यू टेक एनी मेडिसिन बिफोर कमिंग हियर? डिड यू टेक एनी मेडिसिन? क्या आप मेरे आने से पहले आपने कोई दवा लिया? राइट. अब डॉक्टर, यस सर, सॉरी पेशेंट, यस सर आई टुक मेडिसिन. पेशेंट ने कहा यस सर आई टुक मेडिसिन. तो डॉक्टर पूछेगा विच मेडिसिन, कौन सी दवा लिया आपने? राइट. अब पेशेंट ने कहा सर आई टुक नोबल प्लस फॉर फीवर. सर मैंने नोबल प्लस लिया फीवर के लिए. एंड फॉर स्टमक एक आई टुक डाइक्लो प्लस. सर आई टुक डाइक्लो प्लस फॉर पेन. ओके. डॉक्टर, right, he's saying hey don't worry I am giving you two kinds of tablets. डॉक्टर ने कहा don't worry I am giving you two kinds of tablet, right, and take one in the morning and second in the evening and afternoon. Okay, means that you take this medicine right in morning and as well as in the evening. All right. Patient said okay sir, sure, why not, I will follow your suggestion, right. And now you know that conversation after 1 week. नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि डॉक्टर एक सप्ताह की दवा दे देते हैं, एक सप्ताह के बाद आपको बुलाते हैं और फिर आपसे पूछते हैं कि व्हाट हैपेंड, हाउ आर यू नाउ. ओके. नाउ कॉन्वर्सेशन आफ्टर 1 week, एक सप्ताह के बाद, राइट. हाउ इज योर फीवर? डॉक्टर ने पूछा हेलो हाउ इज योर फीवर, अब आपका बुखार कैसा है? राइट. पेशेंट, सर माई फीवर इज गॉन बट स्टिल आई हैव स्टमक एक. सर माई फीवर इज गॉन, oh my god but still I have stomach ache, right. Doctor, okay you have to go through ultrasound and blood test. अब तो आपको अल्ट्रासाउंड कराना पड़ेगा, ब्लड टेस्ट कराना पड़ेगा. पेशेंट मरता क्या ना करता, राइट. पेशेंट ओके व्हाई नॉट. नॉर्मली आप जानते हैं कि प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में, ध्यान से सुनिएगा, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में, राइट, पेशेंट जब इलाज कराता है, पेशेंट तो बचा लेकिन उसके पास कुछ बचा नहीं. इसका मतलब पेशेंट तो बच गया, इतना पैसा खर्च हुआ कि अब उसका बचना ना बचने के बराबर है. और गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में पैसा तो बचा, पेशेंट ही नहीं बचा. आप समझ गए होंगे, पैसा तो बच गया लेकिन पेशेंट ही नहीं बचा. This is the condition of government hospital and private hospital. Okay, now don't mind guys for this. Okay, all right. So this is what. Okay, sir. Definitely, sir. I will go through test. Okay. Now next one is, now what happened that after getting report, अब report मिल गई है. Now patient is in front of the doctor, right. Oh my God, there are 5 minutes. डॉक्टर ने अपना देखा, अल्ट्रासाउंड है, यूं करके जहां भी लगा करके. तो डॉक्टर कह रहा, oh my God, there are 5 stones in your stomach. आपके पेट में तो 5 स्टोन हैं, राइट. पेशेंट, सर कैन यू कैन नॉट रिमूव इट बाय मेडिसिन. भाई कोई भी ऑपरेशन थोड़ी करवाना चाहता है कि डॉक्टर ने कहा ऑपरेशन, अच्छा सर कोई बात नहीं है ऑपरेशन कर दो, ऐसा तो कोई कहता नहीं है, राइट. Oh my God, I have a stomach. I have a stone in my stomach. It means that I have to go through operation. तो पेशेंट कहता है सर यू कैन नॉट रिमूव इट बाय मेडिसिन. हर पेशेंट चाहता है कि मुझे ऑपरेशन ना कराना पड़े, मेरा दवा से ही काम चल जाए. डॉक्टर, सॉरी डियर इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. डॉक्टर ने कहा मेरे मित्र, कभी भी दवा से ये नहीं जा सकता, तो आई हैव टू फाइनली ऑपरेट इट. पेशेंट, ओके सर प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द एक्सपेंस. अब भाई पेशेंट को जब ऑपरेशन कराना ही है तो उसने पूछा कि व्हाट विल बी द एक्सपेंस, क्या खर्च पड़ेगा. डॉक्टर ने कहा only 50,000, only 50,000, right? आप तो जानते हैं जिसको 50,000 देना है उसी को समझ में आता है ना. सर, पेशेंट कहता है सर आई एम वेरी पुअर, सर आई एम वेरी पुअर, आई कैन नॉट पे 50,000. ओके, एंड डॉक्टर ने कहा ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन पे 40,000. कोई बात नहीं, अगर पैसे की दिक्कत है तो आप 40,000 जमा कर दो, राइट? एंड आई विल ऑपरेट यू टुमारो, कल मैं आपका ऑपरेशन करूंगा, राइट? नाउ पेशेंट ओके सर, आफ्टर ऑपरेशन आई विल बी ऑल राइट. भाई हर पेशेंट पूछता है ना सर ऑपरेशन के बाद तो एकदम भला चंगा हो जाएंगे. डॉक्टर ने कि यस 100% you will be all right. So guys, this is a small conversation, and I gave you just an idea how to interact with the doctor. Conversation between doctor and patient, right? You just interact with your friend, interact with your brother, interact with your sister, right? And follow the format. Write the entire script and converse with your brother and sister. Play the role of a doctor, and then again you play the role of patient. You play both roles, so you will be very comfortable to interact with the doctor. Okay, so guys, if you really learned something and if you really enjoyed, then definitely please like the video. And if you did not like anything, then you can dislike, because judgment is in your hand, because you are my judge. All right, you can like and dislike, it's up to you. Now guys, if you really learned something, please pass your valuable and precious comment. Okay, and now please share this video to your friends, near, and someone who is very near to your heart. Okay, now please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please press the bell icon so you will be notified with our latest videos. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Good day all, and take care of. Thank you.